Hey guys, welcome back to English Boost with English Mastery Class, the place where learning English actually feels fun. Now tell me if this sounds familiar. You're in a cafe, someone says something in English, and your brain goes, "Wait, what do I say now?" Grinning face with sweat. Don't worry, we've all been there. That's exactly why today's video is going to be your ultimate survival guide to everyday English. 50 real phrases that Americans use all the time. These are the phrases that make conversations flow naturally, not like a textbook, but like real life. By the end of this video, you'll sound smooth, confident, and natural. So grab a snack, relax, and repeat after me because we're about to dive into 50 everyday English phrases you must know. Let's start with the basics, because you can't talk to anyone if you can't say hello properly, right? Here are phrases Americans actually use to greet each other. Speech balloon phrases. Hey, what's up? Casual, friendly way to say, how are you? Backhand index pointing right example. Hey, what's up? Not much, just chillin'. How's it going? Same meaning, but slightly more polite. Backhand index pointing right. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. How about you? Long time no see. When you meet someone after a while. Backhand index pointing right. Oh my gosh, long time no see. You look great. Nice to meet you. When meeting someone for the first time. Backhand index pointing right. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Alex. Good to see you. When meeting again. Backhand index pointing right. Hey, good to see you, man. How've you been? Friendly follow-up. Backhand index pointing right. How've you been since last time? Busy as always. Performing arts mini dialogue. A. What's up? B. Not much, just grabbing some coffee. How's it going? A. Pretty good. Long time no see. Okay, you've said hello, now what? You need small talk. Those little conversations that make people like you. Speech balloon phrases. Crazy weather today, huh? Great icebreaker. Can't believe it's Monday again. Every American says this. How was your weekend? Simple, friendly. What do you do for fun? Helps you learn more about the person. I've been super busy lately. Very common excuse. Same old, means nothing new. You won't believe what happened. Builds curiosity instantly. Guess what? Great way to start a story. Art du spectacle mini dialogue. Hey, how was your weekend? B. Oh, you won't believe what happened. I ran into my teacher at the gym. No way. That's awkward. Alright, my favorite part, food. If you ever visit the US, you'll spend a lot of time ordering coffee, burgers, and maybe donuts. Donut. Here are some real-life restaurant phrases. Speech balloon phrases. Can I get a? Most common way to order. Backhand index pointing right. Can I get a medium iced latte, please? I'll have the. Also very polite. Backhand index pointing right. I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich. Could you make it to go? When you want takeaway. Backhand index pointing right. Could you make it to go, please? Do you have any specials today? Sounds like you know what you're doing. Can I see the menu? When you're unsure what to order. This looks amazing. Complimenting food. Could I get the check, please? For paying the bill. Can I get a refill? For another drink. Art du spectacle mini dialogue. Waiter, hi there. What can I get for you today? You, hey. Can I get a cheeseburger combo with fries, please? Waiter, sure. Would you like to eat here or to go? You to go, please. Thanks. Now let's get professional, or at least pretend to be. Whether you're in the office or in class, these phrases will help you survive daily interactions. Speech balloon phrases. Let's get started. Good for meetings or group projects. I'm running a bit late. Polite way to say you're late. I'll get back to you on that. Means I'll answer later. That sounds good to me. Shows agreement. Could you give me a hand? Means can you help me? I'm swamped right now. Means I'm really busy. Let's take a break. Because coffee equals life. I totally forgot about that. Natural and honest reaction. Performing arts mini dialogue. Boss, can you finish this by 3 p.m.? I'll try, but I'm swamped right now. I'll get back to you soon. Boss, no worries, take your time. When you're chatting with people, you'll often want to agree, disagree, or share your opinion. And doing it naturally is key. Speech balloon phrases. I totally agree. 100% agreement. Exactly. Short and powerful. You're absolutely right. I see your point. Polite even if you don't fully agree. I'm not so sure about that. Soft disagreement. That's a good question. When you need time to think. To be honest. To sound real and sincere. From my point of view, a polite way to share opinion. Performing arts mini dialogue. A. I think pineapple on pizza is amazing. I'm not so sure about that. A. What? You're missing out. B. To be honest, I just can't handle sweet pizza. Okay, picture this. You're lost in a new city, your phone battery is dying, and you need to ask for directions. Don't panic. These phrases are your lifesavers. World map. Speech balloon phrases. Excuse me, could you help me? Polite and direct. Do you know where the nearest is? Used for places like the bank, cafe, or station. Could you tell me how to get to? I'm looking for. Simple and clear. Can you show me on the map? When words aren't enough. Sorry to bother you, but very polite way to interrupt someone. Thanks a lot, I really appreciate it. Good manners always work. You've been super helpful. Friendly and warm. Performing arts mini dialogue. You excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the train station. Stranger, sure. Go straight and turn left at the coffee shop. You've got it. Thanks a lot, I really appreciate it. So you met someone cool. Now it's time to hang out without sounding awkward. Grinning face with smiling eyes. Speech balloon phrases. Wanna grab a coffee sometime? Casual and friendly. Are you free this weekend? Works for both friends and coworkers. Let's hang out. Super American and informal. That sounds fun. When you like someone's idea, count me in. Means I want to join. Maybe another time. Polite way to say no. Let's do it. Enthusiastic yes. Text me the details. Modern and casual. Art du spectacle mini dialogue. Hey, wanna grab a coffee sometime this week? B. Yeah, that sounds fun. Maybe Thursday? A. Perfect. Text me the details later. Who doesn't love shopping, right? Whether you're in a mall or on Amazon. These phrases are everywhere. Speech balloon phrases. I'm just looking, thanks. When you don't want help. Do you have this in another size/color? Is this on sale? Can I try this on? For clothes. How much is this? That's a bit expensive. Can you give me a discount? Worth trying winking face. I'll take it. When you've made your decision. Art du spectacle mini dialogue. Salesperson. Can I help you find something? You. I'm just looking, thanks. Oh wait, do you have this jacket in blue? Salesperson, sure. And it's 20% off today. You. Awesome, I'll take it. Travel time. Whether you're taking a flight, catching a bus, or lost at an airport, these phrases have you covered. Speech balloon phrases. What time does the flight leave? Where's the check-in counter? Is this seat taken? Could you call me a cab? How long does it take to get there? I think I missed my stop. Can I get a ticket to New York, please? Is this the right platform? Art du spectacle mini dialogue. You. Hi, what time does the flight to Chicago leave? Agent. At 2:45 p.m. Would you like a window or aisle seat? You. Window, please. And could you tell me where gate 12 is? Oops, we all mess up sometimes. Here's how to say sorry like a pro. Speech balloon phrases. I'm so sorry. Simple and sincere. My bad. Casual, friendly apology. I didn't mean to. Sorry for the confusion. It won't happen again. Please forgive me. No worries. What others say to forgive you. We're cool. Informal way to say it's okay. Art du spectacle mini dialogue. Hey, you forgot to send the file again. B. Oh, my bad. I'll send it right now. A. No worries, just don't forget next time. B. Promise, won't happen again. Sometimes English isn't just words, it's emotion. Here's how to sound expressive, like a native. Speech balloon phrases. That's awesome. Positive reaction. No way. Surprised reaction. You're kidding. Disbelief. That's hilarious. Super funny. I'm so tired. Everyone says this every Monday. I can't wait. Excitement. That sucks. When something bad happens. Fingers crossed. Wishing for good luck. Performing arts mini dialogue. Hey, I just got tickets to Taylor Swift's concert. Be no way. That's awesome. Hey, I know, right? Fingers crossed it doesn't rain. Finally. How to say goodbye naturally without making it awkward. Grinning face with smiling eyes. Speech balloon phrases. It was great talking to you. I gotta run. Informal way to say you're leaving. Catch you later. Friendly goodbye. Talk to you soon. See ya. Short and casual. Have a good one. American favorite. Take care. Polite and warm. Later. Very casual. Performing arts mini dialogue. Hey, anyway, I gotta run. It was great talking to you. Be same here. Catch you later. Key takeaways. Learn phrases by situation, not by grammar. Repeat them out loud. That's how your tongue gets comfortable. Use them in daily life, at work, in coffee shops, or even while texting. Remember, confidence beats perfection. Mistakes are totally okay. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. 50 everyday English phrases you must know. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. And if you want to keep improving your English, subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Trust me, I've got plenty more fun lessons coming your way. Until next time, catch you later. Waving hand.